I turn off my alarm and stretch my body. I get out of bed and head to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I get dressed and get ready for the day. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I make some tea and toast. I sit down and enjoy my breakfast. After that, I get ready to leave. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus patiently. The bus arrives, and I get on. I sit by the window and watch the view. I arrive at my workplace. I greet my coworkers with a smile. I start working and stay focused. I take a short break after a long, focused work. I have lunch with my colleagues.